Once upon a time, in a cozy corner of a bustling space station, lived a young astronaut named Max, and their trusty robot companion, Robo. Max was brave and curious, always dreaming about the wonders of the galaxy. Robo, with its shiny metal exterior and friendly beeping sounds, was Max's loyal sidekick, programmed to help and protect. One night, as Max was stargazing from the observatory, a mysterious shimmering light appeared on the horizon. Max and Robo, excited by the sight, hurried to the command center. "Robo, look at that! It's a signal from the edge of the galaxy. We should investigate." With a flurry of beeps, Robo set the spaceship's controls, and they set off on their interstellar adventure. The spaceship, aptly named Star Voyager, soared through the vastness of space, zooming past swirling nebulae and sparkling stars. As they traveled, they encountered their first new planet, Zorba 7, a world of vibrant, floating islands. The inhabitants, tiny glowing creatures called Lumis, fluttered around them in a dance of light. "Welcome to Zorba 7, chirped a Lumi named Twinkle. "We've been waiting for you." Twinkle explained that the Lumis needed help. Their light source, the Great Crystal, was losing its glow. Max and Robo agreed to help and followed Twinkle to a grand crystal cave. With Robo's built-in tools and Max's clever ideas, they fixed the crystal, restoring its brilliant light. The Lumis cheered, throwing a glowing celebration in their honor. As they left Zorba 7, Max and Robo continued their journey through the galaxy. They soon arrived at Misty Moon, a planet covered in sparkling mist. Here, they met the moon mice, tiny, fluffy beings who loved to play hide-and-seek in the mist. Max and Robo joined in, having fun while learning that the mist was becoming too dense and needed clearing. Robo used his air blasting function to gently clear the mist, revealing a breathtaking view of sparkling moon crystals. The moon mice were overjoyed, and in gratitude, they gifted Max and Robo a sparkling crystal that held a piece of their magic. Their final stop was Glimmerworld, a planet where everything, from the trees to the rivers, glowed softly in the dark. They were greeted by the Glimmerfolk, friendly beings who lived in harmony with their luminous environment. The Glimmerfolk had a problem. Their starlight generator was broken, and they needed it fixed to keep their world glowing. Max and Robo got to work, using their combined skills to repair the generator. With a whirl and a flash, the generator roared back to life, and Glimmerworld sparkled brighter than ever. The Glimmerfolk threw a grand party, and Max and Robo danced under the twinkling skies, grateful for their new friends and adventures. As the spaceship headed back to their space station, Max and Robo looked out at the galaxy, their hearts full of wonder and joy. They had discovered new worlds, helped amazing creatures, and made lifelong friends. Back at the space station, Max and Robo shared their stories, and everyone marveled at the wonders of the galaxy. As Max drifted off to sleep, Robo's soft beeps lulled them into a peaceful slumber, knowing that tomorrow's adventures would be even more exciting. And so, under the starlit sky, Max and Robo dreamed of their next great adventure, knowing that the universe was full of endless possibilities.